global economy circles around demand. More the merrier. Yet, in this constantly shifting dynamic, there are a few who concentrate their efforts on the smaller, specialized sections of the society. There's one such group of people invested in building rides for those living with restrictions or special abilities. Outrider USA, an American team of designers, engineers, and technicians have come up with an innovative quad bike for the differently abled. It's called the Coyote. If you think the Outrider Coyote is just another motorized wheelchair, you'd be very wrong. Its unique design with off-road compatible tires and adjustable independent suspension setup paired with an all-wheel drive system makes it the ultimate adventure companion for the specially abled. The Coyote seat is inclined like those found on recumbent bikes, and 2 hand control levers have been added for ease of operation. It also gets a removable hydrophobic seat cushion to keep your backside dry when you're riding through wet conditions. The proprietary aluminium monocoque frame keeps the Coyote both lightweight and strong. It could be the world's lightest 4-wheel drive, tipping the scales at just 150 to 250 pounds, depending on how you spec it. Since they are built to order, riders can choose between a 3000-watt mid-drive powertrain or a 5000-watt hub motor 4-wheel drive system. The latter powertrain, Outrider says, is exceptionally quiet and ideal for adventure activities such as hunting, fishing, and hikes. The top speed is limited to 27 kmph for the 3000-watt rear-wheel drive setup and 35 kmph for the 5000-watt independent suspension setup. We know that going the fastest isn't usually the top priority when you're riding the trails and out exploring nature. However, it is a software-limited top speed, so if you're handy with a PC, you can spike up the numbers. A single 1.5 kWh lithium-ion battery pack will get a claimed 32 to 56 kilometers on a single charge. But you can stack it with up to 4 of these for a total of 6 kWh and a range of 128 to 225 kilometers for additional charge, of course. A built-in high-speed 1000-watt charger is standard on the Coyote, which claims to juice it up at the rate of 1.6 kilometers every 2 minutes of charging. Moreover, alternate plugs are available upon request for international orders. Other available options include a cargo rack, additional headlights, a high-vis LED light pole, and an electronics package with 2 USB ports and a 12-volt accessory outlet. Pricing of the Outrider Coyote starts at about $16,000 for the rear-wheel drive setup and $18,500 for the 4-wheel drive, with powertrain, battery, and accessory options all adding to the base price. While it can be used by the specially abled, the electric Outrider Coyote is by no means an exclusive vehicle and can be enjoyed by all.